Hey guys, I'm stressed. Let's cook. You know what we got today? We're gonna make you Greek salad. Well, what's in Greek salad, you ask? Let me tell you. We got some Fetty Wap cheese, some tomatoes that aren't quite cherry, but they apparently look like it, a red onion, which, in my expert opinion, looks kinda purple. But hey, that's just my expert opinion. Just putting it out there. Cucumber. Got nothing to say about it. It's just a cucumber. Some Italian dressing, because, why not put something Italian on something Greek? It's like next door neighbors. Sure. And some mystery spices, which I like to call pepper. I don't know what's in it, but it tastes good, so I can't complain. Well, that's what we got to work with, so let's get cracking. Step one, get something for your salad. And this salad isn't to eat, because who wants to eat vegetables? Just vegetables. No one. That's right. So the bowl you're going to want to grab, make it not like a bowl, but more like a plate, but not exactly like a plate. Something like this. A dish. It's got an open plate looking thing, but with edges that curve up like a bowl, but not quite. So this way, we can spread our salad out and make it more Instagrammable. Because what are we? Sellouts, that's right. But no, seriously. I need money. And views. So. Enough with the sadness about my personal life. Let's go cut some stuff. First, we're going to take some of these cherry tomatoes. Not all of them, because, I just filled this up for... They look nice, I guess. We're going to take a knife, a pretty little tiny cutting board for a pretty little tiny boy. I'm going to make sure none of these puppies run away, and we're going to slice them in halves like that. Because what are we? Monsters. Yeah. And we're going to keep slicing and dicing away and cutting these pretty little tomatoes in half until you think you've got enough. And I would edit this until everything's all cut the way I want it to, but I don't know how to do that, so you're going to get the full, unedited, uncut edition of Stress Chef. Now doesn't that sound nice? It's like one of those R-rated movies, but uncut, so you just get, I don't know, more movie? Sure. And after you think you got enough tomatoes, which I probably don't, but I'm going to say it is, you're going to want to take something next, like your cucumber. You're going to slice this puppy right in twain, or if you're like me, not very well. And then, after you do that, you're going to slice very thinly into little half moons or crescents or whatever you kids call these shapes nowadays. I don't know. But you're going to keep slicing, dicing. Keep it thin, keep it pretty. We're on a diet. So, like I said, keep it thin. Now you can seed it, you can de-seed it. I don't really care. I really don't know the difference. Because I don't know anything about vegetables. I only know not vegetables. Sure. I'm gonna keep slicing and dicing and just having a grand old time. And at any point you feel self-conscious while you're cutting because, you might have a camera and you're not talking as much as you should because you're a YouTube channel trying to make it big whenever the world's already against you because you're a small-time YouTuber in a world of big fish. You can stop cutting. And that's exactly what I'm going to do because I'm self-conscious about my life. And doesn't that look like enough cucumbers? Not really, but we're going to say it is. And we're going to take a half an onion, slice it in half. Oh wait, I already did. And then we're going to cut off the ends because nobody really wants that. Let's be honest with ourselves. We're going to take that and throw that in the trash can we have conveniently out of pan of the camera. And then we're just going to slice it. How, you ask? That's a good question. So I'm not going to answer it. I don't have a good answer. We're going to take it in these, and we're going to break it up. Like so. And you're just going to feel like a monster as you do it, but survival of the fittest. Am I right? I am. I'm always right. Remember that. The kitchen is safe. But only when you're the chef. So right now, I'm the only safe person here. You know, the guy with a knife. And we're going to put some of those onions in there, mix it all around. Realize we don't have enough onions, so we're going to chop just a little bit more. Remember, keep it thin, people. Come on, what are we, amateurs? No. We are chefs. Chefs are not amateurs. Even if they are, they're not. So, you know, fight me. Or something, I guess. I don't know. And we're going to say that's probably enough onions, because, you know, I don't. Alright? I don't. We're just going to set that there because I'm terrible in the kitchen. I'm going to slide that off, and you know what? I'm no longer feeling a little self-conscious. I'm going to slice a little bit more of this, and once again, slice that puppy in half so we can get more pretty greens in our salad. Ever feel like you want to break out into song and dance? Just do it. But I don't feel that way, so I'm not going to do it. But I know that helps people sometimes in the kitchen, you know, breaking into a musical number and, you know, unrealistic. But, hey, we can all be a little unrealistic sometimes, right? Wrong. This is America. America is realistic. Freedom is forever. So is my cooking. Forever. Then we're gonna put this cutting board and knife out of the way because I feel like I'm gonna cut myself at any given point. We're gonna tousle this around with our hands because you know how much we like cooking with hands. A lot. And we're going to look at that, a nice array of colors. And we're going to take some of that Fetty Wap cheese, don't you know it? Sprinkle it on, all crumbly and good. And then we're going to, once again, mix it up. Because what are we? Humans. Is that such a hard question? I don't think so. Mix that all up. Look at the even more color that we've gotten. And we're going to be happy with that as we throw our Fetty Wap out of the way. And what are we going to do next? Take some of that Italian dressing and open it, if we can, with our moist fingers. And we're going to drizzle that puppy all around in a nice circle. And then some stripes, because stripes remind me of Old Faithful. Don't you know it? And then, usually with a Greek salad, you gotta get some black olives in there, but because I'm poor and lazy, I don't have black olives, so we're gonna throw a little pepper on there. Gonna give it that darker color that the olives would provide. And we're just gonna say that it works. And there you are, kiddos. An Instagrammable host at its finest. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go out of my way here, grab my pretty pink phone, and we're gonna snap a good pic of that, and we're gonna put that on Snapchat, Instagram, whatever. You name it. Because what am I? A chef. The chef is always right. Now, you kiddos stay classy or something and eat. I don't know. Okay, bye.